Hello children, welcome to 3rd standard English. Today we are going to see the grammar part, adverb.
Children, before entering the grammar part adverb, we learn some new words. Pedestrian, a person walking on the street and not traveling in a vehicle. Parts of speech. Words used in language, for example, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, etc. Recognize, know. Recognize, know. Modify, to change something. To change something. Hard, hard means solid, stiff, not soft. Okay. Wildlife, wild animals and birds living in a nature environment. What is a verb? Verb is a action word. For example, drive, eat, talk, walk, play, go. Okay. Now we are going to learn about adverb. Adverbs tell more about verb. Adverbs are words that describe or modify a verb, adjective, or another adverb. For example, he drives slowly. She eats quickly. They talk loudly. I walk quietly. Okay, children. And then, how do adverbs work? Adverbs answer the questions how, when, where, why, in what way, how much, how often. Okay, so adverb questions will help you identify adverbs. Then, the earliest adverbs to recognize are those that end in ly. For example, beautifully, sweetly, quickly, rapidly, and so on. Okay. Let me see adverbs ending with ly. Look at these words: freely, highly, mostly, neatly, nearly, wrongly, fully, only, greatly, bravely, angrily, easily, brightly, happily, rightly, equally, painfully, hardly, politely, lazily, really, completely, surely, successfully, cowardly, rudely, nicely, and slowly. Okay, then now we are going to learn about how to form adverbs from adjectives. How to form adverbs from adjective. Look at this table. To form an adverb from adjectives ending in y, change the y to I before adding the ly. For example, angry, angrily, happy, happily. Y change I, then we add ly. Okay. Then exception. Children, listen carefully. Some adjectives already have ly. For example, lovely, lonely, motherly, unfriendly, joyfully, elderly, friendly, okay, etc. They are not adverbs. Okay, some adjectives which already end in ly. Okay, children. I give some quick tip. Okay. Adverb can be placed anywhere in a sentence. Adverb can be placed anywhere in a sentence. Example, quickly he ran to the market. Okay, and then in the middle of a sentence, he ran quickly to the market. Okay, at last, end of a sentence, he ran to the market quickly. Okay, children, let's see the exercise. Change the following adjectives into adverbs by adding ly. Remember to change the spelling wherever necessary. Okay, children, let's see adjective bad. Bad, adverb badly. So badly, badly. Okay. Lucky, luckily. Ending with y, so we change ily. Okay, then quick, quickly, quick, quickly, quick, quickly. Bright, brightly, bright, brightly. Then sad, sadly, sad, sadly. Okay, children, practice this exercise. Okay, read 1 or 2 times and then practice this exercise.
Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.